Welcome to Everything Between C and D, where Connor and Dawn go on an adventure.
Connor, where are we?
Great Wolf Lodge.
We've made it to the Great Wolf Lodge. That's right, we made it. We've got the big wolf here welcoming us. We've got the great sign,
1, 2, 3.
the great weather, and we're so excited to share this journey with you guys. So get ready.
I have a question.
Let's go inside. Let's start with one question. Go ahead. Yes.
Flowers right behind us. And we have cactuses, a wolf, tree, and got cactus, and got some flowers and some bushes.
We do. Arizona has lots of cactus, great weather. We've got some flowers for some color, but we're more curious about the pools. Let's go inside. Let's do it.
Hard to believe you're in Scottsdale, Arizona when you walk into this beautiful cabin. One thing I love are the trees lining the top, which is carried on throughout the property. Connor has been asking for the water park for days. This is the third time that we've been here, and he loves it just as much as he did the first time. Listen for the howl, and you know that the waves are about to begin. If you aren't in the wave pool, there are plenty of options in their Water Fun Center. Look at all the slides. Let's go, Dad. Time to race. Then off to the tube slides. Slide number 2. This area is great for the little tots. I remember when Connor was 2, I used to come and peer down these slides. Now he's moved up to the next level and can spend hours going around circles in the lazy river.
Oh, don't forget the slides. This is where everybody wants to go. Connor's over there right now having fun with the family.
Since he just hit the 42-inch mark, he now has the yellow band and can go on more rides, including this big red water slide, which is my favorite.
Yes, yes, yes! And made it. Yes. So cool.
All right, first day done at the water park. What was your favorite part? What'd you like the best?
Look behind us.
Look behind us, we've got the slides.
That's my favorite.
That was your favorite? That was so much fun. You want to show them your leg? We had one little incident today. Scraped as we were going through the lazy river. What happened?
In the wall.
Oh man! Trying to go too fast, and that's what happens. So it's wave time.
Nothing beats the water park first thing in the morning.
All right, let's see if Connor goes in. He's thinking about it. Nope, not right now.
But he'll splish splash in the jets. There's also an area with basketball and log challenges. Good luck! Not too bad for his first time across. That wraps up the water park. Now on to adventures on the dry side.
Wiley.
The ropes course looks so fun, but I'm waiting for Connor to get 45 inches tall before we can go. Magic Quest seems to be one of the most popular attractions. This magical treasure hunt takes you around the property where you can use your magic wand to reveal secrets, like lighting up the eyes on this dragon. Climb approximately 30 feet high on this climbing wall, or stay on the ground and enjoy 9 holes of mini putt. Ten Paw Alley offers bowling, and right next door is the arcade with fun games and great prizes.
Ooh, close! Yay!
Games for kids of all ages, and one special game where everyone's a winner. The kid area always seems to have something going on. Here was face painting, or in our case, hand painting. The lodge offers a few room add-ons, including this sign for birthday cubs. Welcome to our room.
Here we go.
I really like the layout of this room. I like the sink and the kitchenette area on one side. Kids have their own space on the other, and the adults get their own tent. The decor is really cute with the light and the trunk that add a nice rustic touch. Kids go wild for Wiley's Den. This cave-themed bunk bed area is perfect for the kids. It's so cute. I remember Connor's first slumber party here and how much fun the kids had. If your kids are up late enough, you might get to join the dance party.
Yes.
We weren't, so we did our own dance party. We were able to find time to sit outside, enjoy the Arizona nights, and make some s'mores. Check out our PJs and raccoon socks. Guests are invited to get into their pajamas and meet in the lobby for a bedtime story with a special appearance by Violet herself. Time for pictures and a howl before she goes. Howl!
Good night. Good night.
We brought some coloring pages back to the room to wind down before bed. We had a wonderful time at the Great Wolf Lodge. There's so much more here than just a water park, so we hope you and your family can come enjoy it soon. Oh, and don't forget your wolf ears! Thanks for joining us at Arizona's Indoor Water Park. Subscribe below for our next adventure.